Lip scrubs at home for soft lips. Exfoliation is extremely important for your skin. It helps you get rid of dead skin cells and keep your skin healthy and glowing. Just like your skin, your lips need scrubbing as well. It will help you exfoliate dirt as well as dead skin cells. It will also help your lips stay moistured, as your lips will absorb lip balm effectively after scrubbing. Regular scrubbing can help you achieve soft lips. You can prepare lip scrubs at home. You just need to combine the simplest ingredients to prepare your lip scrubs at home. While exfoliating, you should be very gentle and do not apply too much pressure on your lips. Here are some methods to prepare lip scrubs at home with the goodness of best and natural ingredients. Before going to watch these natural scrubs, please subscribe our channel by click the red color button and press the bell icon to get all our video uploads by notification. Homemade lip scrubs. 1. Coffee lip scrub. You can use coffee to prepare lip scrubs. Coffee is extremely good for your skin and lips. It has also gained huge popularity for the amazing skin benefits it offers. You just need to mix coffee powder with honey. Mix them well and use this for exfoliation. Honey is also loaded with skin benefits. It will provide moisturization to your lips. 2. Sugar and olive oil. This is a very simple lip scrub which you can prepare anytime. Sugar is a great ingredient that can be used to prepare scrubs at home. You need to simply add some olive oil to sugar to get a scrub-like consistency. Olive oil is good for your skin, hair and lips as well. It can perfectly fit into your beauty routine. 3. Brown sugar and coconut oil. Coconut oil, one of the best moisturizer that you can offer to your skin and lips. You can mix brown sugar or normal sugar with coconut oil to prepare a scrub. This scrub will help you fight chapped lips. It will also provide the right hydration to your lips. 4. Cinnamon powder, honey and olive oil. Cinnamon also works well for your lips. You can combine it with honey and olive oil. When combined together, these three ingredients will work wonders for your lips. Mix all of these to form a lip scrub. You should use these scrubs twice or thrice a week. Scrub your lips with soft hands. Always apply a lip balm after scrubbing. If this video helpful to you, hit like and comment below. Share this video with your friends and family. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.